loves. Okay, so I made a super quick and budget-friendly stop at Pennywise today, and I did the weirdest thing. I literally went into Pennywise with my bedroom slippers on, and the rain was falling. But anyways, I owned it. Even though I probably looked like a weirdo, I just didn't act any different. I was totally normal with it. I did see some people looking at me weird, though, looking at my feet weird especially. But yeah, we're in the car right now, and I'll make a quick stop, and I decide why not do a quick Pennywise haul. So here we go. We got some disposable razors. We got disposable razors, a lip balm in a tropical thing. So excited to try that because I never used that. Dalan soap. Never used this coconut and milk. Excited for that. More Dalan soap. Love that lavender. That is have your skin feeling all good. Packers in black. We got deodorant. So I have a very high perspiration on this one by this brand Enchantia. That works amazing wonders for me. It is absolutely amazing. Jenna, let's get our next cheap one. Medicare soap, because you know, kill some germs, right? Kit Kat, because why not buy a little chocolate when you're there already? Besides, it was like buy one get one free, so why not? Okay. Shampoo and conditioner in aloe vera, because aloe vera is very good for your hair. And last but not least, mouthwash. So, yep, we got some goodies from Pennywise, and that's it. Hope I'm not a total weirdo because I decided to stop on the side of the road and do a quick Pennywise haul. But yeah, that was it. And leave a comment below. Let me know if it is you've ever done something so weird, such as walking out the house with your bedroom slippers, or something weirder than that. I mean, that isn't that much of a big deal. But yeah, bye.